Hi guys, welcome. Like we said on our socials, it's August meeting era, and guess where we are? We are at the kickoff of August meeting at Enugu at Aquara School. Now behind me, you can see that it is happening. People are having fun. Well, I am having fun. Excuse my dress. I forgot the original headdress, but I will get it next time. I'll be prepared. Enjoy this Afia attend with us as we experience August meeting.
just live. And they have not come to the place of awareness and awakening of the potential and the giftings that they carry inside of them. And every woman, like I said, is born and birthed and gifted divinely with the skill, with the gifts, and with the mandate to raise kings, to build kings, to indeed raise nations. If you even understand that each individual is a nation, if we read our Bible, you'll be able to understand that every individual born represents a nation. And thereby the woman, even in the place of motherhood, is the first person that begins the journey of building truly a nation. And that's why there is a call today. I'm excited about this because we have so many women coming together. They're sharing our day, they're celebrating the grace, the beauty, the glory, the strength of the woman. But we should not leave this place without understanding that there is a power, there is a potential that every woman carries. There is a gifting and there is a mandate and there is a call that we have all been brought here on earth to do. In our spaces where we play different roles, as a mother, as a wife, as a leader in business organizations, as a leader in the government space, every woman is called to truly shaping the minds of people, to truly shaping the people that at the end of the day and ultimately we are speaking to nations that are built. And it speaks from the family unit to our communities, to the states, and to the nation at large. And so if every woman here will come to the awakening of who they are, what they carry, the assignment they have been called to do as women, the assignment that they have been divinely called to do here on earth, is beyond just living. We are called to not just live, but indeed make impact here in our society, in our generation, and the nations at large. If we come to that awakening, and I'm speaking so much about the awakening because it starts first from the place of awareness. There's a place of you understanding why it is that you have been called and who you are, and then it enables you to take action, the steps that will be necessary to truly make impact, and the things that you need to do to truly transform lives, transform the nation, and indeed build that nation that we all envision. There is work for each woman to do. We cannot sit back and wait for the next person to do it. Evangelist Favor O'Brien spoke deeply about the diverse roles of different women, and she spoke about the unified effort of women, how every strength counts and everybody matters, and if we come together, we synergize as great women, understanding that we all carry, each and every one of us, diverse skills, diverse abilities, diverse strengths, and we come together with one mind, with one unified voice. We will not be able to underestimate the work and the strength and the greatness of what we will do, impact that we will make here in the Enugu State and beyond Enugu State, the Southeast and Nigeria land. Impact. Joy has played a pivotal role in strengthening the company's reputation, preserving their license to operate, and deepening its ties with both community and strategic stakeholders management. Her professionalism, creativity, and commitment to excellence have made her a trusted voice for the brand and inspiring example of leadership in action. Her career in the fast-moving consumer goods, that is the FMCG sector, spans over 2 decades in supply chain and corporate affairs functions. She is passionate about helping women be the best version of themselves. Thank you very much.
We are calling the Tiara Commissioner, Professor Benedict Okorie, to come and present the award.
Thank you. That's the former President General, CWA, Enugu Women.
With a recognition of their exceptional contributions to the initiative from the Council of Ministries and in appreciation of your spiritual commitment to the advancement of Nigerian children. Your exemplary service, professionalism, and unwavering support have significantly enriched our collective efforts towards societal empowerment and community engagement. With profound gratitude, I hereby present this beautiful award of a money who said a real more. Now,
I will thank, of course, the platform on which I have been honored, Nigerian Breweries PLC. It is simply to my benefit that I work for a multinational that celebrates diversity, promotes equity, and encourages inclusion. And so I will receive this with my colleagues from Nigeria Breeze PLC here with me, my daughter, who is also coming right behind me to understand that there is nothing such as a ceiling, not to even talk about the last one. Because, as Amstel Malta says, you can be the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
In the workforce for more than 2 decades. My first degree is actually in engineering, and I've segued all the way from supply chain into corporate affairs. So it's been, it's been an interesting ride because I'm the daughter of someone who basically said to me, you can do anything that you put your mind to. And I'm trying to leave the same legacy for my daughter and my future daughters-in-law. If I can do it, you can do it and more. And if you don't believe me, just listen to Amstel Malta. Amstel Malta says be your best, and basically that's what I always try to do. My mantra is simple: be the best version of yourself. And if you need an incentive to do it, it's not just about you, it's about those who are coming behind you, so that you make the path a little smoother for them. And that's basically what drives me to do what I do, how I do it. And I'm just privileged to be here, to be part of history and the legacy that I'm trying to build.
Have you guys been enjoying the August meeting like I've been enjoying the August meeting? It's been a wonderful festival. Colorful, beautiful. I saw our mothers give us match pass and I thought they could not move again. Well, I enjoy the event and a very beautiful can of Amstel Malta. I will see you at the next Afia tent. This is Tiny signing out, guys.